Welcome back again to HSP in World of Chemistry. All my dear students, these questions are from IIT but most expected for RE-NEET. This time RE-NEET is going to be really hard one. Now you will say, sir, it can be easy. If it is coming easy or moderate, no problem. But we have to prepare ourselves for whatever the type of questions they are going to ask. Ready? So on your screen, this is the first question. I know that number of students are scared of such type of questions. Really? Really? Yes, sir. We are really scared of such type of questions. So I will make such type of questions very simple. Don't worry, kids. So just read it out. An organic compound C4H11N shows optical activity. That means it is optically active. That means it must have no plane of symmetry, no center of symmetry. Or you can say it must have nitrogen to be chiral or carbon to be chiral. Let's read it out. And gives N2 on treatment with HNO2. HNO2 is produced by NaNO2 HCl. So it must be coming that it's aniline. No. You see only 4 carbons are there. Now compound A reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride, and after reaction it is soluble in alkali. Now one thing is very clear, it is 1 degree aliphatic amine because it must have 2 hydrogens. It must have 2 hydrogens, one to react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, another one to react with alkali. So definitely it is 1 degree aliphatic amine. Now let's see out of the 4 options. Now see, first one can't be the answer because it's not having any chiral carbon. No, nothing is there. Now see the B1, 2 methyl on nitrogen. So it can't be that because it is 1 degree. Now my dear students, C can't be the answer. It is not 1 degree. Only one is the answer, that D. Why D? You see this carbon is attached with methyl, ethyl, hydrogen and NH2. It is 1 degree aliphatic amine and this carbon is chiral. So it was very simple question. Now my dear students, once if you see such type of big question, oh yo Rangaswamy anaconda question, I too can't do it. अरे भाई जस्ट रीड इट आउट भैया, इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़ोगे आप, आपको मजा आ जाएगा. जितना बड़ा क्वेश्चन उतना आसान. Remember that how lengthy is the question, number of informations are given over there. That's why such type of questions becomes very easy. Nalla iruku romba sulvam. Maja aya jhakkas. Yeah. Now, let's see the answer. Yay, Baba HSP, you have given the correct answer. This is for January 31 JEE Mains. Second question. Once again, big question. So read it out properly. Cyclohexylamine. What is cyclohexylamine? If you're not able to draw the structure, you won't be able to do anything. So cyclohexyl is like this and NH2, cyclohexylamine. When treated with nitrous acid, yield P. So this is aliphatic amine. So definitely NH2 hatao, OH lagao. What I said? Remove NH2 and put OH. Yeah. P. On treatment with PCC, bhaiya, PCC will give Q. Now you must have heard or must have studied that PCC reacts with 1 degree amine to give aldehyde. PCC on reaction with, so PCC reacts with not 1 degree amine, PCC reacts with 1 degree alcohol to give aldehyde. 2 degree alcohol will give ketone. Yield will be less, but you will get ketone. Yeah. Now, Q. Now, Q is heated with the dilute NaOH. Oh, aldol condensation. So, let's see how to do aldol condensation. मारे को तो पानी निकालना है भैया, पानी. अरे कैसे निकालोगे? How will you remove? By taking alpha hydrogens, aldol condensation. Ayayyo. La, aldol condensation. Just remove water. We will get the answer. E alpha beta unsaturated. Not benzene. Alpha beta unsaturated. Where it is given? Alpha beta. Hey, you are no. Yeah. Yeah, you are here. B. Alpha beta. I got it. Let's check it out. Let's see all the options. Let's see what I have done. Is it clearly visible to all of you? Yay! B is the correct answer. Champa shouting, so happy, Champa. Now, oh, very big question. Before seeing the options, let's see the question. IIT April 2023. Let me move aside so that everyone can. Now, see to it. Isomeric amines with a molecular formula C8H11. भैया देखो, hydrogens and carbon 8, hydrogen 11 only, very less, because if it would have been alkane C8H18 तो हाइड्रोजन कम है, तो एरोमेटिक बेंजीन तो पक्का है, बेंजीन इज फॉर श्योर. So one thing I can get phenyl C6H5 I have removed from C8H11N, remove C6H5. So what is left? C2, 11 में से 5 गया 6, and nitrogen. This much is left. That means on this I have to add C2H6 and nitrogen. Now let's see further information, right? Isomer P can prepared by Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Isomer P can be prepared by Gabriel thalamide. That means Gabriel thalamide says that aniline cannot be prepared. So what I can say, P can be like this. If I write P is this, C, and let me add CH2 and CH2NH2. Let me check it out. 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, nitrogen. So P can be like this, or P can be like this also. CH2NH2, and methyl can be added at any place. Any place methyl can be present, right? Okay. Now, your P can be like this also. CH, CH3, NH2. This is also 1 degree aliphatic amine. Oh my God, this question is going to be very tough. Now, Q reacts with Hinsberg reagent to give solid insoluble. That means Q is 2 degree amine. This is 1 degree. This is 2 degree. R. Where is R? Okay. R reacts with nitrous acid followed by beta naphthol in NaOH to give red dye. Arey Baba. R reacts with nitrous acid followed by, this is benzene diazonium chloride. That means it is 1 degree amine, because beta naphthol, that is not given in NCERT, but I have taught you that it's coupling reaction, right? Now 1 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. Bhaiya re bhaiya, bhai, search out for option. This question is going to be very crazy. Now see, 1 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. I to think A can be the correct answer. 1 degree, 2 degree. So one thing is for sure, C can't be the answer and D can't be the answer. C and D for sure they can't be the answer. And they are writing diazonium. So diazonium, both in both A and B, the last option will form diazonium. Now solid. Now see what they are writing. They are writing that R, this 2 degree amine for Q. For Q, see what they are writing. They are writing Q reacts with Hinsberg reagent. So that means it should be 2 degree amine. But you see here they have given 3 degree means, so this is not a possible. This is also gone. Only one option is left. That is A. Let me check it out. What I have done, am I right, or I have to solve it once again? Yay! Wow! Baba HSPC. Not only you are solving question, even Baba is solving question. See kids. Nice question. Salute. Lot of salutes. 11 तोपों की सलामी, 1000 तोपों की सलामी इस क्वेश्चन को भाई साहब. Rangaswamy, it's nice question. Wow. Anaconda question. Anaconda means everyone can't do this question. If you're not able to understand this question, okay, should I explain it once again? Sir, you have very well explained. No need to explain it again. So you can replay this and watch it again and again. You will get it. Very nicely I have explained this question. Wow. Wow, Baba HSP. Very good. Next question. 18th question. Identify B formed in the reaction. Excess of ammonia and NaOH. भैया क्या करें? Looking very tough. I तो can't do it, but I will try. Ammonia is reacting in place of Cl. I will get NH2. CH2, 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 and CH2 and NH2. Okay. Now NaOH. What NaOH will do, bhaiya? This is looking very tough. NaOH will, what NaOH will do? I am to not getting. Bhai, is there anyone who is getting what NaOH will do? Excess of ammonia I have done. NH2 I have got. Now they are writing that NaOH is reacting. What NaOH will do? OH negative will come and it will take away acidic H. Ayyo, Rangaswamy. If it is going to take acidic H, what will happen? NH negative will get formed. And NH negative will do what? So let's see. Yay! This is only the product, because once anything is going to happen, nothing can happen, because no further reaction was possible. But why they have added NaOH? That is the question. Should I tell you? The NaOH they are adding because once ammonia is reacting with RCl, sorry, and H2, H is going to eliminate out HCl. So you will get R and H2. Now HCl can be eliminated by reacting with NaOH to form salt and water, and they have given NaCl and water in the reaction. If you see, NaCl and water was given over there. Just see, focus over here. NaCl and water they have given. So Lee-Chatelier principle says if you are not eliminating out the product, reaction will not move in a great amount in the forward direction. Just to carry out the reaction more in the forward direction, product should be eliminated out. So this is your answer. Very good question, very good explanation. Baba HSP, Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. Now, in class 12th, first chapter, haloalkanes, haloarenes, Hoffman's alkylation, this is given. In industry, generally, weak base is used just like ammonium hydroxide, but they have already written the product, so it's not wrong. Okay. Otherwise, scientifically, NaOH is not used in industry because NaOH. So they see in the second step they have used otherwise. If they are going to use NaOH along with excess of ammonia, then NaOH must have combined with Cl to form OHOH. Which of the following is strongest Bronsted base? Now see, its lone pair is delocalized. Its lone pair is super delocalized. Why? Because it is involved in aromaticity. its lone pair is delocalized on both the side and its lone pair is localized. So definitely it can't do resonance. You can think like that lone pair is like rabbit and H plus is like dog. Now dog is, proton is dog. Dog is going to attack on these, all these rabbits. All the three rabbits in A, B and C, they will run away. So ultimately dog will kill them, but in the fourth case, rabbit can't move, can't do resonance. So dog can easily attack. Dog us pe attack kar dega. So D is the correct answer. Let me check it out. Yay! D is the correct answer. Now, which of the following reaction is correct? Always read it out properly. Correct or incorrect they have written. So now it's your turn. First, Br2 UV light. Yo, this is wrong. Why? Wow, such a great question. I am to fall in love with, because Br2 HNO is FRSR. It is indicating that free radical substitution reaction. It will react just like NBS at this position. So that is wrong. Allylic position. Allylic position it will attack because allyl free radical is more stable. So free radical is formed and rate of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of free radical. Now second, this is your happy birthday reaction, Hoffman bromamide degradation. So just to remove this CO and form NH2. Now one carbon is extra. Hey Baba, one CO is gone, so answer will be C2H5NH2. This would have been the answer, so this is also wrong. Now third one, it is aliphatic amine. NH2 hatao, OH lagao. Now see, there are three carbons, we have to remove NH2 and put, this is also wrong. So here the product would have been CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. All three are wrong. Sir, what are you doing? Once all three are wrong, you got the answer now. Even I don't know whether that is right or wrong, but I have got the answer. This is the correct answer. Now let's see. HI is electrophilic addition reaction. First H plus will attack to form more stable carbocation. So H plus will attack over here and you will get this intermediate. And iodide will attack. So D is the correct answer. I have got it. Hey, let's have fun. Ba ba ba. I got it. I have done it. Done and dusted. Okay, now next question. Yeah, this is the correct answer. See, hey, Rangaswamy. Yo, this is looking very tough. The rhenium ion which is not involved in the bromination of aniline. Wow, not involved. It's very tough. What to do? Mummy. Okay, don't cry. Try to solve it. Let's see the aniline. Now, lone pair will come. तुमने दी आवाज लूमी आ गया. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Yeah. Now, lone pair has gone. That means N will get plus charge. Double bond will get formed, negative charge. Br, I'm coming, I'm coming. Br plus will come and join over here. जब से तुझको देखा, हाँ तुझको देखा यारा, तुझसे ना कोई प्यारा, तुझसे कोई अच्छा, नजरे ना फेरो तुम, मेरे हो मेरे तुम, ला 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 ला. Okay, now what they are writing, the rhenium ion, can you see what I did? Yeah, the rhenium ion which is not involved in the bromination. So nitrogen will have plus charge everywhere. Ayyo Rangaswamy, nitrogen will have plus charge everywhere. So first one is to correct. Now if it is going to attack on para, then B1 is also correct. Now question's answer will be definitely either C or D. Bromine cannot attack at meta. Very clearly, why to write down the structures? Bromine can attack only at what? Oh, so this is the answer. It is orthoparadiacting. No need to write down the mechanism. So what I have destroyed my time actually. Remember that before attempting the question, read it out twice and see the options. Don't start writing from this question. I have learned one thing, that here it is attached at ortho, here it is attached at para, here it is attached at ortho, and your aniline is OP director. It can't attack on meta, so this will not get found. So these are true, 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 and this is also false. So this is going to be the answer. This will never get formed. No need to write down the mechanism. By simply seeing the question, I was scared, oh, it is going to take too much time. But see, this reaction you must have studied whenever aniline is undergoing reaction with bromine. So it is going to form 2,4,6 tribromoaniline white PPT. Ortho and para is the product. Now assertion reasoning. This time AR will come. Categorically, this Baba H.S.P is telling you this particular point. Make a note. Definitely this time AR will come. Given below statement, the 9H2 group in aniline is ortho and paradiacting and a powerful activating. भैया बिल्कुल सही. अरे हम तो agreed. चंपा, yes sir, me too. Oh, true. Assertion is absolutely true. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is also true because in aniline, nitrogen's lone pair AlCl3 will attack on lone pair, because whenever there is competition between acid-base neutralization and electrophilic nucleophilic reaction, always give preference to acid-base neutralization because that is fast. It will form a salt, so it will not show Friedel-Crafts reaction. Both are true, but second is not the reason of first one. The reason would have been that nitrogen is having lone pair and that is showing plus M effect. That's why it is orthoparadiacting. So the answer is in front of you. Statement 1 is incorrect. Hai? Here yo, 1 is incorrect. Let me check it out. Statement 1, the NH2 group in aniline is ortho and paradiacting and a powerful. अरे भैया both are correct. ये आंसर गलत दिया हुआ है. किसने मार्क किया? My team. ये आंसर गलत दिया हुआ है भाई. Let me show you. Let me check. Wait. Both are correct. Correct answer should be A. Third question's correct answer should be A. This is wrong. Not D. My team has made a mistake. State both statement in the light of our choose the most appropriate answer. Yeah, both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect, so both statement are correct, but explanation they are not talking. First will be the correct answer. Now, question number 12. Aminobenzene and aniline. What is aminobenzene? यार aminobenzene aniline सेम ही तो होते हैं. आर सेम हो रहे यार. aminobenzene and aniline are different organic compound. अरे सेम होते हैं भाई. देखिए इसमें भी कई टीम ने लगता है assertion and reasoning में कुछ घोटाला किया है. This is false. That is true. This is false. True and false. Let me check. इसका आंसर भी लग रहा है गलत तो नहीं दिया. देखें टीम ने. स्टेटमेंट 1 इज करेक्ट बट स्टेटमेंट 2 इज. हाँ भैया भैया इसका आंसर सही दिया मेरी टीम ने. एक गलत हो गया टीम से. नो प्रॉब्लम. Now once again, assertion and reasoning. All the following compounds react with para-toluene sulfonyl chloride. भैया ये होता क्या है? In place of nowadays BSC benzene sulfonyl chloride, we can use para-toluene sulfonyl chloride. See, directly they are from NCERT. All the questions they are from NCERT. All the following. Where is the question? Wait. All the following compounds react with para-toluene sulfonate. So at least one acidic hydrogen should be there to react it with. It should be either 1 degree or 2 degree amine. So 1 degree will react, 2 degree will react, 3 degree will not react. So it is false. But yeah, it is false. Why? To react with this compound, at least they should have at least one acidic hydrogen like this, R, N, H, so that HCl can eliminate out. HCl can eliminate out. Whatever is there, R can be hydrogen, or that means there should be 1 degree or 2 degree amine. So 3 degree amine is not having. So this statement is false. Absolutely false. Their product in the above reaction are soluble. Arre bhai, how they can be soluble? Even the compound third one is not able to react. Second one will react. Its hydrogen will get consumed. Now it will not remaining with the hydrogen. Arre bhaiya, tum dono hi false ho. Both are false. Arre bhai, both statement 1 and 2 are false. I will go with A for sure. For sure. Team. Yeah. Da, da, da. Okay, now next. मेरी पारो पायरोल को मैं पारो कहता हूँ. Okay, पारो your lone pair is involved in resonance and that is responsible for aromaticity. One randa मोनु नाले अंचे आरे 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 electrons, pi electrons are required to show Huckel's rule for aromaticity. So highly delocalized. I would like to say its lone pair is highly delocalized. Just know, some people say you are highly qualified. So its lone pair is highly delocalized. Now pyridine, you see already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pyridines is saying, hey, I'm self-sufficient. I'm already having 6 electrons. I don't need your lone pair. So localized, can't participate in resonance, no resonance. And this is also localized. Now localized and localized will be super basic. But you see, इसके पड़ोसी कार्बन neighboring carbons are 2.5 electronegativity because they are sp2 hybridized, and its के पड़ोसी carbons they are sp3 hybridized. So 2.5, it's 2.75. Whenever sp2 hybridized, 2.75. Remember that 2.75, and whenever they are sp3 hybridized, 2.5. Nitrogen's electronegativity is 3. So who is better donor? 2.51 is better donor. So piperidine, remember its name. When pyridine undergoes hydrogenation, it forms piperidine. Here they have given the structure. By chance, if they wouldn't have given the structure, then remember pyridine, piperidine. How to remember? In pyridine, hydrogens are less. So name is short, pyridine. Piperidine, right? So piperidine is most basic, then pyridine, then pyrrole. Piperidine, pyrrole. A is the correct answer. A. दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए, but I will not change my answer. Now let me check. My team has given. Oh, they have not given the answer. No problem. Oh, hoo. Question is, read it out. Let me have sip of water. read this line. You are supposed to convert into corresponding amines. Otherwise, you won't be able to get the answer. Now, amide can be converted into primary amine by 3. So, A is 3, NO2 fourth, B is fourth, cyanide H2 nickel. So, 2, and this, so leave it, otherwise we know. 342, 342, 342. D is the correct answer. 342, D is the correct answer. Check it out. Okay. So kids, this is all for today, right? Now Baba is giving one question. Try to solve it, and before moving towards next question, let me tell you the answer of yesterday's homework. Homework question, kids. Let me search it out. Yesterday I gave one question for homework, that is, my dear students, let me check it out where the question is. Hey question, where are you? Arey Sim, yesterday's homework question, where are you? Yeah, it's over here. Today also I will give you one question for homework, but this is yesterday's question. Now see, the first one is CrO3. This is given in NCERT on the right hand page, just below Itard reaction, if you check it out. So see how nicely they have framed out question. Now second one is CrO2Cl2. This, so we know Itard reaction. So A and B, CrO3 and CrO2. B is the correct answer, and number of students, they have given the correct answer in the comment section. Now I am going to give you one question for your homework, and you have to tell me answer in the chat section. Okay. Question is that COOH was reacted with ammonia, then heat, then KOBr, then chloroform KOH, what will be the product? That is the question. Homework question. Answer I would like to see in the comment section, right? And how much you are liking these sessions, that also I would like to see in the comment section. Then only Baba is, you know that Baba is never charging even a single rupee. This is everything I am doing for your future, so that you can become doctor, engineer, and you can help others. Baba HSP has done his MSc, and not only done it, I am the gold medalist in 1999. JRF Gate, then 2004 MTech. I have been teaching for the last 27 years plus that. Okay, plus means more than 27. And produced first rank, Tanishka Yadav, third rank in AIMS, Mehak Arora, fourth rank, Chaitanya Mittal. You must have seen number of pictures along with me. But that is not only my hard work. For that, your dedication is also required. So, whatever I'm asking, do it. Okay, consistency, regularity is required. Then only you can solve such type of questions. Take care And if you're new, subscribe this channel and tell it to your friends also, right? Because if you're helping others, Almighty God is going to help you a lot.